right, Matt Breitenbach here with Breitenbach Advisory Team. It is 6 o'clock on the dot. Really excited to show you guys this property because this time of night on this property, it's really, really incredible. It's designed, you can see it's extremely modern house, contemporary house, designed by Blaise McCoy. LaGuardia Design is doing all the landscape. It's really a special spot. I actually sold this property to the developer. It's been a long journey, but we're almost getting there. And it's a little bit in construction, but I wanted to take you through, show you the view. It's really incredible. So come on. Well, here's the view. First floor view. Welcome to 180 Point Mecox. Here's your front door here. What's really special about this house, you have like 180-degree views. You have views of there, you have the ocean, you have farm, and you have Mecox Bay. And you can see now, 6 o'clock, sun's coming down. So this is your dining room here. Your front door entry there, elevated, come up. Dining room, living room with a fireplace. Radiant heat floors, as you can see. Again, in construction, guys. Coming this fall, hopefully. Thanksgiving, you're having a nice turkey on this table, hopefully. Go to the second floor of 180 Point Mecox. Here's where your bedrooms are. What I really want to show you, because we don't have too much time, I really want to show you this master bedroom, which is off the charts. Just amazing view. We got reserve in the background. Again, we got some scaffolding here. Just imagine that's gone. Sunset's going to be right there. The farm ocean bay combination is really rare. It's something you don't see a lot. Double-sided, so your bed's going to be back here. Coming out this way, you're going to have your TV on this wall. You know, built-in closet here. Massive, massive bath. Just amazing. Sinks here, his and her sinks, freestanding tub, floor-to-ceiling glass, additional toilet in there, more space, and then this is just it's the tequila porch, cigar porch, if you don't drink, coffee porch in the morning, whatever you want to call it, whatever kind of porch is your program, this is it, because I'm looking to the camera for this one, because like you don't get this in the Hamptons much. Not only the farm ocean bay, but this kind of view where you're just almost 360 degrees, you don't see it.